Hayi ngo bimeze bite ndabakunda cyane Richard Sankara ande Williams kundi sako yendi ngo bimeze bite reka dutangire hayi bas mu gutangira ko dutangiye bakise ngo ikirere ku izina rya filime mwabantu burya ngo umwana apira mwiterura burya mwabantu mwe ngo umwana wese apira mwiterura na filime rero ipfira mu ntangiriro kugira akazina ka filime nuko tuyitangiye dore ngo ibyahanuwe birasohoye imbere y'amaso yanyu Sankara ande Williams kundi sako yendi mama we bakise ngo ikirero bantu mukunda filime ziri hejuru za Alien uyu munsi papa bwenge nigarukiye bakise ngo ikirero my pet dinosaur bivuga ikirero inyamaswa yanjye cyangwa dinosaur yanjye kubwira peti ni inyamaswa cyangwa n'amatungo n'amatungo itungo ryanjye dinosaur cyangwa inyamaswa yanjye cyangwa dinosaur yanjye uko wabivuga kose Sankara nigarukiye ubusobanuro nyabwo muri The Future Entertainment Sankara ande Williams kundi za kuyindi sasa mu gutangira baratwereka isanzure bakatwereka ibigize ikirere kurikira filime reka dutangira ariko arumva yanyirekanye n'ukuri mwabantu mwe numva yamba bibwira ngo naratumwe mukagira ngo nababeshye nge ndi intumwa nubwo nshaje ariko sinshaje cyane ariko ni intumwa ndashaje uruhara ibondo byose ngo Sankara tuzakubona gute muzambona barababeshye nuko dutangiye baratwereka ikirere mu gutangira cyo gute cyarye kimwe wari umunsi umwe baratwereka isanzu ry'ikirere ibyo bita kibona umwe none turabona kibona umwe zirenze nye nenye dundi za kibona umwe hakurya ni isanzu ry'ikirere nuko tuyitangiye ugomba gukanyara ikindi cyaciyeho bisa nk'aho ari bya bindi bita udusahane twa Alien we filime n'isi n'ikinyejana isohotse akanya 2020 uyu munsi ni shyashya iracyari mu ishashi we urabona ikintu giciyeho rikanze we ni twa dusahane babyita ibisahani bya bintu bya Alien ni ibisahani undebere filime nawe yewe undebere yewe cyaciyeho ni kinini ni igisahani we ni igisahani ndakibonye we reka dutangire cyaciyeho dore ngikirado cyabwatse do cyaje nanjye nkuko naje mwita dore nibira najemo nanjye burya ngo rye bikanga ko ni Alien sasa tuve kuri Alien kuri abasara bya Alien twagotse mu ishyamba twagotse muri Nyungwe hari ibindi biheru ibintu biredunga hari ibirendukira mu mashyamba bimeze nk'ibyinuza do ibintu birenduka mu mashyamba ese ni ibintu ki nuko tuyitangiye gute ni mu ishyamba kumbe hakuno barakwereka rukweto ruhari rw'umuntu wambaye bote yaje apiririza hakuno arapiririza ko bigaragara bisa nkaho hakuno muri aya mashyamba rigeri cyamanutse kuko birenze wagira ngo bari kurwanya icyorezo hari imiti bari gutera muri aya mashyamba ese iyi miti ni imiti nyabaki hari imiti bari gutera muri aya mashyamba niba ari ibiti byarwaye niba ari iki gusa bayise my dinosaur yanjye my pet dinosaur dinosaur yanjye cyangwa itungo ryanjye dinosaur yanjye niko bayise ubundi dinosaur ni inyamaswa zacitse za kera za zamani ubu zaracitse ntaho wayibona ariko uyu munsi yabonetse sasa hakuno uko bigaragara tugiye kuba twatangira poroje ya nyayo ni umwana murigisha abanyeshuri sasa buri muntu wese aribuze ko yakorana n'umuntu begeranye cyangwa kimwe abanyeshuri ko bakorana bari hafi yabo bunganirane hakuno do n'ubunyeshuri bwarambiwe no kudutangiye my pet dinosaur niko bayise sasa hakuno ni mu ishuri rimwe dutangiye naryo no kudutangiye ni mucikwe sasa hakuno igihe cyo gutaha kiragera burya ngo amasaha
Why would they visit Brightwood?
No, so nuko bitaza ngo bisore kirenge gitorage cyacu cyangwa no shuri ryacu niba kuko bihari ko bite bitaza ngo bisore kirenge gitorage cyacu yakabaye biza bikadusura
Interdimensional.
Yeah, we have your mom's minivan. Definitely not a threat.
Dude,
biratandukanye mwana.
you get out of my bag.
Reba mu gikapu cyanjye saka hako no kugakonda kuba karya reba mu gikapu cyanjye nyuma gakunda kurya ibijyanye n'iminywere
The Wi-Fi
birekanye nyine mwana
amplifier.
izo nzira za wifi ni ibintu by'ubucucu gusa biri aho ngaho no kutuyitangiye nimuciko rero bantu mukunda filime zibi hejuru uyu munsi nigarukiye nimanukiye nta kindi cyabe ku ruhande
Need your skills again.
agatoroke kuba kese Brightwood batagihari
Come on! No waffles? Still sucks.
I heard she got cancer.
numvishe ngo yarwaye afite kansa yarwaye kanseri ninde
Polly.
ni Polman
I heard this one kid got it and his entire family died. They had like these boils and pus. Ow, what was that for?
mwana wumvite mwana uri kumuvuga amazi kuri gishusho umwana dore hakuno hari umwe muri bo arakora amagambo ni make
Hey man, I bet
mwana ihangane mwana
you miss him, huh?
ndabizi uramukumbuye ihangane aramukumbuye bwana kwa kurukuno bugane rugasanga kamwe kumurikije kandi sasa Mike susuma neza mwana Mike sasa arakurya cyashonyije dinezoro
Wall in peace.
hari cyashonyije neza kumya ukanya cyumvishe polisi kirabwaka
Michael Emery, it's no use running, son.
na mpamvu yo kwiruka nka musore mutoya
Unfair day.
niki arani
Here to rescue the world from the horrors of street art.
This is 3, Mike. 3 strikes.
ubu ngubu ni ubwa gatatu mwana nirindi kosa ryawe rya gatatu none urapfa
I give up.
nganyambika amapingu narebe
Cuff me.
nyambika amapingu mfa wamfashe narebe nta kibazo ya mu modoka yanjye yinjira mu modoka yanjye nyine ubwo nyine wafashwe iyo cyafashwe kiba cyafashwe
Get in the car.
ya mu modoka yanjye umupolisi yandi bigenda bishushanya ku mihanda ibyana y'ibinyarugomo nta kindi cyabaye bagishize mu modoka ya polisi bagicomokane
You gonna take me or what?
I'm taking you home.
ngiye kujyana ngiye kukujyana iwanyu ngiye kujyana mu rugo
No need to upset your mother today.
ntabwo ngira ngo nze gutera agahinda mama wawe uyu munsi
Far, aren't we?
Well, your mom's a good woman.
erega mama wawe ni mwiza cyane ndabizi ni umubyeyi mwiza
Good morning, Doris.
igitondo cyiza
Mrs. Murcher, how are
sasa Michelle
you today?
umeze utuye mu gitondo
Oh.
dogiteri
Doctor,
dogiteri we
dying.
ndimo ndumva ndimo napfa ni ukuri ndimo napfa sasa hakuno
I'm crossing over, I know I am.
Reduce your caffeine intake and try to stay away from processed
sasa hakuno urangambwa ati "Riga ibintu by'agakawa bireke
foods.
ugenda kure n'ibintu byo bikorerwa mu nganda ibiryo
I don't have the cancer.
none nicyo twavuga bwo ko nta kanseri ifite muri jyewe nta kanseri ifite
No, Mrs. Murcher, you're
sasa hakuno urangambwa ati
suffering from
kandi
migraines.
biragaragara nk'aho hari umutwe urengeje w'ikiyi urugero urenze
Um,
reka amajwi kuba nakohereza sasa amaso bagenda basuzume neza
Mrs. Murcher, you're suffering from migraines again. I'm going to send you for an eye exam.
ngiye kugenda bagusuzuma amaso bakore examen y'amaso yawe birasa nkaho amaso ugeze mu zabukuru amaso ntakireba neza nta kanseri ufite
Migraines? Oh, doctor, thank you.
yewe dogiteri we ndagushimiye cyane
How to put an old lady at ease. Thank you, doctor.
Bye now.
sasa utuma umuntu yinjiramo umutuzo ugatuma umuntu aruhuka ndagushimiye cyane
Bye bye.
yewe bayi
Think you have a fan there?
Jennifer,
yewe ndagiye kufite abafana hakuno sasa Jennifer
I have news.
sasa ngufitiye amakuru
They've sent someone.
ibi ngibi ni ibyo bohereje babyohereje burundu
Finally got their attention.
sasa kuno kureba sasa bisa nkaho ari amadokima hari ibyo bohereje imyaka igera kuri 2 byabaye nkaho bitangira
The town meeting on
iperereza ryabaye
Saturday.
ariko uyu munsi muri uyu mujyi hari buze kuba habamo inama hari buze kuba haba inama
Oh, you're okay?
ndakeye komeza neza ra yego meze neza nta kibazo mutwe bamwise Jennifer ariko ndaguturi hakuno bamwise Jennifer nibwatse ku bandi mwana kwandi twatugenda muto nawe yaje hakuno bimeze bitse nuko itangiye sasa rebye hakurya ndetse akane kana gahari n'undi mubyeyi hakuno ni imodoka ya polisi Mike
Do you,
bamagambo
hey, Mike,
sasa imodoka ya polisi Mike
do yourself a favor and stay away from that Jonas kid.
byaba byiza ugiye kuri uriya mwana bita Jonas
You should do us both a favor and stay away from my mother.
ariko nawe byaba byiza ugiye kuri ya mama urumva ajya kuri ya mama bisa nkaho polisi urumufandura kuno we yataritaga nyina yaba byiza ugiye kuri ya mama sasa kurara agapepera kandi yewe
A girlfriend?
yewe birasa nkaho sasa uriya mukobwa
Again.
wowe ugiye kuri kusanura kuri polisi
Real nice.
aha bisa nkaho ari fresh man hagarika ibyo ariko sasa cyageze kuri kira gahunda azajya najya kuri yagifite imbaraga byinshi
I'm good with it.
sasa ageze ku cyo ku ruhande ndetse hari akanoza gafido akagi agendana amagi ni umwana muto cyane nta kindi cyabaye no kutugatangira mucikwe kikaraga mu cyo wacu inde Sankara the future musikuni za kuyende the future entertainment musikuni za kuyende turabakunda cyane sasa hakuno bisa nkaho gasokarakara hakuno hari tugeze hakurya ruhari yo yaje hakuno abisa nkaho ari utwafite hakuno yakuye mu dufoto kamwana muto cyane no kutitangiye yamucikolelo yakomeje kutigeza udufoto aritegereza udufoto mw'abantu mwe areba inyubako zigiye zitandukanye iragurya mu dufoto yari afite kamwe kagira agahanika hakuno nta gafoto bisa nkaho burya mw'abantu mwe nguzica umwanzi hakiri kare bisa nkaho adashaka kuzongera kubona uriya mukobwa do kugira ngo atazongera kuba yabonayo do yagize gutya ku epiriya nzu do ntazongere kubonayo hari agafoto hashize hakuno sasa hakuno tuvuye kuri Jennifer yewe Arani.
Hey Jennifer.
Yewe Jennifer.
What a pleasant surprise.
Yewe bisa nkaho usana kantu katunguranye.
Business call.
Sasa hakuno yamuhaye sasa business call.
It's Mike again.
Nanone Mike yongeye nanone ibi byose ni kubwa Mike nanone kandi twumvishe ngo sasa hakuno fandi hari ukuntu we na Jennifer bagira gutya bakigenza.
It's okay,
ariko
I let him out for the final.
namurekuye mu nyuma ariko bitewe n'isituwasiyo ihari ndagushimiye cyane.
Don't take me yet.
nta mpamvu sasa ko bitekerezo cyanjye ngo mushimire.
Do what I can to keep these kids out of the system, but Mike, he is really pushing it.
Okay, I'll talk to him.
Reka sasa ndaza kuba navugisha Mike, ndaza kuza kumuvugisha ntugire ikibazo. Ariko
get together soon.
birakeka ariko mu nyuma tuzi kuba twakongera tukuba byashobora kuzongera kuba twahora vuba tukaba turi kumwe na.
Yeah, I'd like that.
nzabikunda kuba turi kumwe ni fande do gutya bayabonye gutya yabengutse noza mupfakazi yabengutse.
Big talk.
Sasa hakuno uranga kine kuba yagana sasa bikira hanga ukine cya Mike.
Michael Emery, you and I are gonna have
sasa hakuno dukine kuba twaganira
big talk.
cyangwa Michelle Emery
Talk.
nyine kunyavugane nawe.
Did you hear what I said? Mike
we.
Whatever, Jennifer.
Hayo gushaka kuba avuga iki Jennifer we gihamagara nyina mwizina.
Excuse me, I'm your mother.
Yangana kikurya ni nyoko kubyaye. Kirabahamagara Jennifer. Mike.
What?
Niki ariko wambwiye mbwa bari bwe cyana byigiye murabizi biba bifunze umutwe. Niki?
What? Mike.
How is Alan?
If it wasn't
for
Alan Faraday, you'd be sitting in the slammer right now.
All he wants to do is get in
Don't you dare finish that sentence.
baratonganye.
Whatever.
Ibyo byiyenururo bireke. Cyane gitangiye ati abizi mpamvu byose birabikora byose nuko bera ko sasa we naho hari ukuntu mujya mwigenza mwana wanjye hagarika ibyiyenururo itubiha kukinama baza papa.
That's right.
Ihorere.
Can't.
Togini ihorere. Mike. Amagara cyane cyafunze umutwe. Nawe uzamwibarize nobwe. Nago wakawe basangiye nawe uzamwibarize. Haza guhande. Umubyeyi hakuno yabyaye ingegera. Bibaho ukabyara umwana akakunanira. Sanga wibyara igifunga mutwe.
Jake.
Yewe Jake.
Here please.
Gwino hano nakwinginze. Jake bakwise Jake.
You mind telling me what this is?
Sasa hakuno ibi nibikira.
My report card.
Asa hakuno ni birote yanjye.
I gave it to you last week.
Anaye guharika icyumweru giciyeho.
That's funny, because this
Sasa birashimishije.
one just came in the mail.
Sasa iyo niyo sasa yabashije kubatunga kuri email bigaragara ko ingeri yo nyayo. Iyo wamaye icyumweru gishize ni birote ya fake ni birote kiwani.
It's Charles's handiwork, I presume.
Umwana anafatwa.
I gotta hand it to him, he certainly has talent.
Hakuno sasa dore ngina aravumbura ko icyana cyambaye birote ya fake.
Right.
Waba biziki. Mwana waba biziki. Yewe ndakekura ki.
A man. 1 week.
Icyumweru kimwe.
If you're having trouble, you
Mwana ushoka wajya mibazo.
have
Basa uri bushaka wakwambwira.
trees.
Ntago ari kugenda unyira ubwire cyanoza cyambaye kenge gufashe n'ibyo byose cyaragushutse.
I miss him too.
abizi nanjye ndamukumbuye nanjye ndamukumbuye urabizi icyo urakizi nanjye ndamukumbuye.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Mom.
Babarire mama.
Don't let Mike see that.
Uza kubyereka Mike.
Things.
Yeah. Ibyihorere nta kibazo. Uza kubyereka Mike. Nacyo cyo ku ruhande. Hari abandi bana bashaka kuno. Ye mwana. Yeah. Baje apara kutugare hakuru mu ijoro. Bisa nkaho batajyandwa na Keza. Yeah. Bareba hakurya. Bigera kurya bitana amabuye hejuru. Komeni kuri ka Jake. But Dinosho. Yewe mwana. Bigicucu mwana.
What are you guys doing here?
We're going to
Murakuri cyangwa basore. Tujya kujya mwanya mu ishyamba mwana.
come with.
Urajyana natwe.
Mom got my view report.
Maruzi ko mama yamenye birote yanjye yayo mwana.
Really? What
Yavuze
did
ibiki?
she say? Could
Yavuze ibiki mwana?
you tell them apart?
Dude, she was pissed.
Mwana yarakaye cyane mwana. Yarakaye yafunze umutwe.
Informant confirmed the coordinates. There were sightings.
Informant. Who says informant?
He means creepy chat room guy. Shut up, Max.
Charles,
Fungura ngo mwana Max.
I just told you I'm
Sasa kurubona ngaho.
grounded.
You
Bamwe nababwiye mwana.
totally did, but listen, I have a plan.
Dufite umupango mwana.
We go there,
Dufite kuba turiyo.
check it out, and come straight back. We'll be an hour tops.
Turakoresha isaha imwe.
What if it's totally legit?
Turakoresha isaha imwe.
We're famous.
Dude, no one makes money online.
Turaza kuza kuba twabona amafaranga menshi mwana kuri online. Kuri za YouTube.
British camera guy does.
True, he made like millions.
Turaza kuba twabona za miliyoni mwana n'imikino. Turaza kuba twawukina we yabonye za miliyoni. Natwe mu mukino turaza kuba twawukina.
Mom finds you guys here. I'm
Mama baramutse babonye.
dead.
Napfa mwana naba n'umupfu mama baramutse babonye.
Hurry up and get down
Come on.
here so we can go already.
Kuguruka nyine niba dufite kuba twatinda dufite kuba hakuno.
Totally.
Isaha imwe cyane isaha imwe.
Okay, coming.
Nareba ndaje mwana ndaje. Ni isaha imwe tujye ko twakoresha ubundi ndaje.
Where are we going exactly?
Here.
Sasa hakuno turajya hejuru sasa byafashe karita ku ruhande n'abana. Tawo nuko n'abana. Yewe murakuri byakuno Jake. Yewe. Bakize Jake.
Abby.
Hey.
Sasa urunga habo bamwita Abi.
We're going to the forest.
Ubu tujye ko twajya mu ishyamba.
And if
Byiza cyane.
long?
None nangeragena namwe cyane.
Oh.
Ntacyo bitwaye.
It could be dangerous or something.
Byaba ari bibi cyane mwana.
You might get dirty.
Waba umwanda mwana haba harimo imyanda n'iki byose rero waza gusa nabi. Sibyo ngo twagena nawe. Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
Ariko sinkunze rwose biryoshye kuri yo rashimishije.
I'll grab my bike.
Nanjye gafata igare ryanjye nzi.
We don't get girls.
Ntabwo ngiye nkunda abakobwa man. Ntabwo nkunda kubana n'abakobwa.
Aliens.
From Venus, especially pretty ones.
Yeah.
She's
Ariko mbona n'umukobwa ni mwiza.
okay.
Ndabona ameze fresh.
Yeah? Well, she better keep off.
Nta gatangazo uriya mukobwa mwana. Byatangiye kumuganiraho. Bijya mu mashyamba byafashe amagare bijya mu mashyamba. Ni mu ijoro nk'uko abana sazi z'ijoro bajya muri Nyungwe. Abana bajya.
Ready?
Uriteguye. Twendereye naribi. Uriteguye twendereye. Nacyo ni cyaba ku ruhande. Abana baje muri Nyungwe sazi z'ijoro. Nijoro mu kabwibwi. Yeah. Kuza muri Nyungwe mw'abantu mwe ni nijoro. Ni ikibazo.
Please, come on.
Basore muze mwana.
So what's he looking for?
UFOs.
Kugera hakuno baje mu mashyamba.
Charles, how much further?
Mwana mwavuze ngo turabira igihe kingana iki?
Said we'd be an hour. It's been like
Mwavuze ngo isaha imwe none sasa none ku ruhande.
30 minutes already.
Haciyeho iminota 30 turi hakuno turi kugenda. Nta nubwo turagera iyo tujya mwana.
This-
None ngo isaha imwe. Yeah.
It's seriously creepy. What if we get seducted by aliens?
It's abducted, moron. Seducted's when you get a girlfriend.
Hey, what do you call an alien with no eyes? Alan.
Aaron. Amagana Aaron.
Get it? A-L.
That's a dollar.
Mwana bibireke mwana ibyo by'amadolari ni ibiki?
It's kind of a thing with us. You get fined $1 for bad jokes.
Yeah, max was like $100.
Guys, this is totally it.
Basore muze hakuno mwana.
Dylan, set up the cameras.
Sasa mushiro za kamera mutagira ugure za kamera. Bagiye ko bakora ko bashobora kubakora ka video bazabona amafaranga kuri za YouTube. Bazabona za miliyoni za YouTube.
Did you check the sensors? I don't want to miss anything.
Relax.
Nta kintu kimwe dufite kuba twabona tuza mwana ntugire ikibazo. Nta kintu dufite kuba twabona ku ruhande.
I think I dropped some candy.
Mwana uko nataje karate yanjye mwana. Kugira ngo urya byo kanyereyemo. Ibintu bimeze nk'ibinuza bikweduka. Ayayaya gukatisha karate yako.
Wow.
Bega.
They're beautiful.
Bega ukuntu biri byiza byatari.
Capillary action.
Kugira hakuno ni ibintu biri kujojoba. Kagize gutya kapushe bya bintu biri kujojoba bimeze nk'ibinuza kabishira mu ishashi. Ibi turabijyana.
Or something.
Bafashe muri bya bintu bijojoba barabijyana.
Anything.
ntagira ikintu kimwe ko mwakura mwana
Only got enough charge for one
nta
flight.
kintu kimwe ko mwakura hakuno
All I got.
Is he always like this?
Charles?
Charles
He just gets like that with his UFO stuff.
Max!
Sinax irihe mwana sasa Sinax irihe
Max!
Max we kora Max nawe nazibonye mwana kugira ngo cyane byaturitse gicucu
Well, that proves there's no intelligence.
sasa hakuno kabuze Sinax ku ruhande kukazibonye nibwo tukwande hari undi waje hakuno agira ibyo atsimba ni mwijoro kugira ngo urye kwinjiye mu bantu Disney kakane kari kagiye mwijoro kandi n'ubundi bwana bigeza ku ruhande kugira filime.
You're in deep trouble, young man.
Nanone ugiye kwajya mu bibazo mwana wanjye mwana muto kana kagiye ijoro kumbe kugira mu rugo kasaze nyina gategereje.
Jake, your friend Abby's here.
Inshuti yawe Abby iri hakuno.
She says you have a project due.
Sasa nkurikiza nyakuno yoyije muri mufitanye ngo projet da mufitanye umushinga.
That's why you're doing schoolwork on a weekend.
Thanks so much, Mrs. Emery.
Ndagushimiye cyane Emery.
It's not due to
Come on, you gotta...
Sasa hakuno ngo ni bwa homework n'iki byose bwana bubike ababyeyi. Sasa hakuno dore byazanye bya bintu zabijugunya hakuno.
Stuff.
Hari ibyagaje gusuzuma. Bino ne mwana, bino ne biri hakuno.
Ida.
Nibyo bwakuye mu mashyamba. Mwana ukatani ibyo nyebyo mwana. Nangari bya nyabyo. Kujya gukenebe neza kumbe kurebamo hasi arareba neza. Kumbe bisa nkaho kiri hakuno cyo kiri yuburura. Icyo kibenye hakuno.
I did some preliminaries.
Sanga hama baragenda yihinduranya.
Hey, Dad.
Ndakumva.
Sure.
Uri mukuri?
Okay.
Sawa.
I gotta go.
Mfite kuba nagenda.
Go from here.
Sasa ibyo nitwa byagura hakuno.
I can't do that.
Ntabwo ari kunigirishira bikoraho. Ni just stop.
Follow my notes.
Sasa usigara wita kuri izo note nanditse hakuno. Ibyo ugiye ko wakora uragendera ku byo nanditse hakuno ngo mu rupapuro. Nibyo urakora. Ubigendereho. Uragendera kuri ibyo nanditse hakuno. Yeah. Sasa kugira ngo uryare ibyo yabonye ku ruhande ku rupapuro. Ati ibyo biraza ko wakora wowe uraza kugira ngo ugere kuri urupapuro nanditse hakuno. Nacyo ni cyo ku ruhande. Yeah. Bimeze bite? Bifasha bite?
Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah, musoma meze bite mwana? Niki?
Totally bust.
Sasa ku ruhande we barasore mwana.
Epic. I just mixed a
Sasa nafashe
frappuccino
mfata sasa frappuccino
with fries
ipanga na fries.
and it tastes like waffle.
Uzibijya byo mwana. Birarenze mwana saka nakubwiye ko n'ibijyanye n'imirire.
Stuff like the stuff
Sasa mwana yakoreye amafaranga kuri online menshi.
found.
Natwe tugomba kuba twamenya ukuntu yabikoze mwana. Yakoreye amafaranga menshi sasa ku ruhande sasa.
Radio Shack. Wait,
None agiye ngo sasa twagira ikintu tuvuga kuri Radio Shack.
they said
Wapi mwana?
I'm looking for it.
Ni ibyo cyane n'igisirikare mwana.
Like it's
Hari
top
ikidasanzwe mwana, hari ikidasanzwe bari kuvumbura.
gives you superpowers. Are you for real?
Nabizi ni ikidasanzwe cyatanga imbaraga zidasanzwe zirenze.
I gotta go.
Mwana. Ko hari icyo bavumbuye cyo kuba cyatanga imbaraga. Ko cyavumbuye n'abasirikare.
Told you to stay at Dad's room.
It's mine too.
Narakubona ngo bakobiza muri iki cyumba cya data.
We gave it to both of us.
Ariko iki cyumba cya data nge nawe yarakiduhaye.
Yes.
None ibyo ni iki?
Potions for your little
Birasa nkaho zitereka kuba inshuti yawe kakizanye.
Leave it.
Ntabwo ari inshuti yanjye ariko umukobwa wapi.
going here.
Stop.
Sasa none birakurikirana. Kirabifata kigira ujye kirabikanda bya bintu byakuye mu ishyamba birenduka. Kibicira hasi kirabika.
To be such a
Down
dick.
here.
Koze ibiki mwana?
Language, Jake.
Get out
Igimenye uburyo ururimi.
of my room.
Sohoka mu cyumba cyanjye.
Have fun with your
Sohoka mu cyumba cyanjye. Yeah. Hari ibyakanze bakuye mu mashyamba byaguye hakuno hasi. Rubazi byari byo. Gusa birarenduka njye nuko nebonye ko byaragiye biguha hakuno. Yeah. Buriya nuza do. Amenye nuza. Amenye amata. Byaragiye biracumba. Byaguye ku byane birenduka imaze kurenduka. Yeah. Ni mwijoro. Byaba bintu biranduka bakuye mu mashyamba. Dore ngo biramanuka. Bimaze kumanuka gira gutya bisa nkaho hari ikidasanzwe cyabaye ni mu ijoro bisa nkaho hari ikidasanzwe cyabaye mu ijoro haza Jake arebe gutya ku ruhande arebe ibijya mbere kureba gutya hari ibyamenetse bino ni umwanda byabaye irabu arebe neza ibijya mbere kunda kujya gutya ariko wabonye kidasanzwe yewe yakarabaye hari icyavuyemo muri bya bindi birenuka hari ikiremye bisa nkaho ari dinezoro yiremye karabaye hari dinezoro yiremye kureba gutya bya bintu birenduka hari ikidasanzwe cyavuyemo abana hari ibyo bagiye bahuzahuza bisa nkaho hari icyavuyemo kugira gutya karajya kugira hakurura ka dinezoro gato kugira gutya ari ukahungiye kugira gutya kararunguruka yewe dore ngo umwana batungurwa hari icyo waremye bya bindi abantu bakubagana hari icyo baremye ku ruhande kidasanzwe kugira gutya ajugunye ikibombo niba ari ikibombo sinumva nzi icyo ari cyo kugira gutya karihumuriza ni ka dinezoro kajya karakuru uri ikintu nyabaki
It's okay.
ngwino hakuno ibintu ni sawa ngwino hakuno karasatira
It's okay. Come on.
ngwino byose ni sawa ngwino hakuno ngwino kugira gutya burya ngo utunyamaswa natwo tugira gutya ngo burya inyamaswa ivutse mu maso yawe inyamaswa nyinshi zikunda kuba zaturuka mu magi iyo ipfunguye amaso ukabona bwa mbere na mbere ntiukeka ko ari wowe wayibyaye hakuno karariye yewe karanarya disi bisa nkaho ari icyo abana baremye sasa ngiye kubona afite Magnus yasa akita Magnus we
Magnus, that's what I call you.
Magnus ni ryose ngiye kubona guhamagara Magnus yasa akita Magnus yasa akabatiza izina
Hey boy.
yewe gasore
Pleased to meet you.
ni byiza gura nawe nishimiye gura nawe Magnus iratangira dogwa yikise Magnus kadineze kwenda kuri yasa akita Magnus kuhande hasa Magnus kuhande ibintu yitse okay ntugire impungenge Magnus we ibwatinze umwana
Wake up!
Jake kanguka
Look at this room!
mwana nyangasa ni cyumba cyabaye umwanda
Like a dump!
ni umwanda gusa ni ibiki
Are you listening to me?
uranyumvara
You would have this place spotless as soon as we come home. Am I clear?
Okay, sorry.
Get
abarira mama hasa karangara kuri cyumba cyose kagigize umwana
meeting.
uranga wenyine wagiye mu nama
You.
uri hehe yatangiye gushaka Magnus yakise Magnus reka dinezoro yabonye ya Magnus dore ngarayibura
Maybe I dreamed it.
byashoboka yuko byari inzozi tu narotaga yageze ko Magnus zari inzozi bitabaho byanyabyo hakuno sasa kaje kugira ku ruhande kajya sohoka kajyanze gafunga umuryango yewe kuba Magnus zari byanyabyo
Jake.
yewe Jake ko wari Magnus ranoga wize ko Magnus noga Jake reka dinezoro kwani akajyanye wabo
Now, Jake.
yewe Jake fata ka dinezoro ayishura hasi nakana ka dinezoro
Not kidding.
ntabwo ndimo nakina mwana fata ka dinezoro gira gutya kigo nyipfa mu muhanda wote gereka abantu bakuru baceho cyo ni gifunga mutwe yewe kavuze induru ni ka Magnus ka dinezoro nikade nezoro mama shenge
Stay.
hagarara hamwe cyara hakuno akabwira ngo yicare ku ruhande ufite amategeko ukagenderaho
No, stay.
nakubwiye guma hamwe kagume hamwe nikagenda
Hey, I'm coming back.
ndagaruka mu nyuma byose ni okay Jake naje yaje yewe uransize bo kagyotse disi kare wakabyaye burya ngo ikintu cyose iyo kivutse maso yawe kikiri gito vuba ndabinginze
I'm not feeling too well.
numva nameze neza mama
You were fine 5 minutes ago.
urabizi iminota 5 iciyeho wari umeze neza
I know.
none iminota 5 iciye aka kanya nibwo waba uhuye n'ikibazo
I just started
ariko ubu ngubu
feeling bad.
numva nameze neza mama
Maybe I should stay home.
nkeneye kuba naba ndi mu rugo niba bishobotse naba ndi mu rugo nagiye ahantu
Crowded, so I can't go.
You
muri njye numva n'ahantu najya
go where I tell you to go.
nakubwiye turagenda
Hurry up, I'll be late.
ahubwo tugera mpamvu winjira mu modoka nakererewe ngira mu modoka bana bigiye babaye muti nijya ashaka kujya kwiga sasa hakuno ka dinezoro turi gukariyuburura hari ukuntu gahindo ntabwo ubibonye kariyuburura we do urebe karongera gahinduka umutuku kubera ko dinezoro gira gutyo do kariyuburura hakurya do kari kurunguruka mugeraho hakurya do kurya ari itsema nyina kuri mu biki kuri mu biki mama na ngutegereza urabona sasa
You're going.
Jehe cyara musezere
You're in deep trouble, young man.
ye kuyijya mu bibazo umusore ayaya
Morning, everyone.
gitondo cyiza buri umwe
Good morning.
gitondo cyiza
Epidemiologist with the
sasanga EPA
EPA. Now, I've been tasked with the investigation
sasa hakoranga bakomeje kuba bakora iperereza
of a possible disease cluster here in Brightwood.
Brightwood ni igitoro kiri hakuno
Now, please,
turabinginze mutuze turabizi
answers, and I'm
mwabizi mufite ibibazo
here to find those answers.
ariko urende hano kugira ngo sasa tube twashaka umuti w'ibyo bibazo sasa hakuno tugaruke kuri noza Magnus ahiri kiragurika itangira gutembera inyubako Magnus itangira gutembera inyubako ni Dinezoro
couple of nights back
urabizi sasa hakuno hari ibyo twabonye mu gidasanzwe
me and Will we were fishing
ubundi twebwe sasa hakuno turi hano nk'abarobyi
and
ariko
we caught something.
ariko hari twafashe kidasanzwe sasa nikaza ko nayibere hari kidasanzwe twafashe
Me
kidasanzwe
and Will we were fishing
ubundi twe turabarobyi turaroba hari ikintu twarobye
and
ariko mu kuroba
we caught something.
hari icyo twafashe kidasanzwe
A monster.
ni inyamaswa twafashe uko bavuga inyamaswa imbere na kazungu hakuno ni inyamaswa hakuno yagaragaye bisa nkaho satani ko yiremeye kuba inyamaswa du yaje ku isi yaba n'abantu Dinezoro inyamaswa zari zaracitse bana bonye baziremye basigaruye yewe abana b'abantu ni hatari inyamaswa zirakurasha ku buryo ushobora kurya nk'umujyi wose wa Kigali kabumara ubundi kano cyane Colonel.
Ladies and gentlemen,
bagore namwe bagabo,
my name is Colonel
Douglas
Roderick. I'm in command of
operations commander wa operation
at Fort Bright.
wo muri iki gitore Breakwood. Dasa ko byatangiye kugafata. Umva wa munyinga we. Gira gutya dore ngo karakomanukira butosho. Yewe parikingi banzisa. Yeah. Kamagnis.
The military is here to protect and serve.
Kiri hano kugira kubw'umutekano wanyu. Nk'abasirikare turi hano kubw'umutekano wanyu.
We are committed to working with the EPA.
Sasa tukomeje kuba twakora na EPA. Yewe none umwanda. Aricyo tugira ngo tukobaze. Ngo ari ibinyamaswa byamanukiye isi. Bagira ngo menye ibyamanukiye isi ibinyamaswa. Hari inyamaswa idasanzwe twabonye.
Brightwood.
Baturage muri Brightwood.
Imagination is a wonderful thing.
Ibyo ngibyo bisa nkaho sasa ari ibintu abantu bitekereza bidasanzwe. Ni ibintu bitekereza. Happy ntabwo ari intekerezo ni ibintu bibaho.
Love to believe in mythical monsters.
None namwe mutanye kwizera muri ibyo kari inyamaswa.
No mythical monster.
Ntabwo ari inyamaswa isanzwe ariko.
Right here.
Turabifite hakuno. Urumva icyo twaragiye turagifite hakuno kugira ngo mubyemere ko atari inyamaswa isanzwe twarakibonye. Kura basasa ryo bakuyemo. Mureba we. Hano barikanga. Ureba hakurikira hakuno. Aza hakuno kanakanya. Kabaye gakobaganya. Yewe.
Gentlemen.
Bagwe namwe bagabo.
That's a catfish.
Kimwe bagaragara sasa kari catfish.
Catfish?
Catfish?
That ain't no catfish.
Iyo ntabwo ari catfish, ni ubwoko bw'amafi. Ntabwo ari ifi ngisanzwe.
Flapping around and changing all kinds of colors.
Ikiranga cyo gihindura amabara yacyo. Ntabwo ifi gihindura amabara yacyo, ariko ikiranga cyo gihindura amabara. Kiriyuburura.
That ain't no catfish.
Iyo ntabwo ari catfish, ntabwo ari ifi.
That one was flapping around and changing.
Iki ngiki buri mwanya cyo gihindura amabara yacyo.
It was super weird.
Biragaragara ko ari ikintu kidasanzwe. Kidasanzwe. Cyo kuko ntabwo gisanzwe. Umva, sasa rero tubite kuba twavugana sasa na polisi turiko twakora ubushakashatsi tumenye ikintu cyari cyo.
Of course, doctor.
Hamagara sasa no kubwira ikintu abadogiteri, icyo kintu baje ko bamenye icyari cyo.
Hey, no, wait a second. I want to sell that on eBay.
Barakijyanye.
You please call me if you see anything like this again.
Sasa kuna hili kitu mutasanzwe mubona musamamagara abahereza business card.
Hey, Abby.
Yewe. Abby.
Hey, Mrs. Emery.
Sasa uranga hawe ni Emery.
Hey, Jake.
Tina Jake.
Hey, Tansy, Jennifer Emery.
Sasa nje banyita sasa Jennifer Emery.
The clinic.
Donga bandu muganga ngaba sasa ngura kuri kana akanoza kavuriro kirikira happy yawe.
Actually, we're neighbors.
Kandi n'umuturanyi wawe.
I'm so relieved you're actually here.
Yes, hi.
Bisanzwe muri cyo turegeranye cyane.
Jennifer,
Yewe Jennifer rero.
look, can we chat later?
Birasa nkaho twakererewe dufite kuba twagenda. Dufite kuba nagenda Jennifer kurana yewe. Akareba kuno. Yewe gashaka no kurisha. Nikade nazoro. Yewe gira gutya karamanuka.
You're spotless.
Parking zabaye nabi. Zabaye mbi. Kumedane gukamaka. Magnus. Atagatsimba nagira ngo bakabona. Kwa Magnus aragatsimba. Magnus.
You kidding me?
Nago ndimo nakina. Apura koro cya televiziyo. Uzakora.
Michael Emery, this house looks like a crime scene.
Izo ndi hakuno wagira ngo habiremo ibyaha. Wagira ngo bakuremo ibyaha. Tugiye papa.
They took that thing those fishermen caught. Why?
That's what I want to know.
Dad.
Papa.
Stay in the car.
Wewe guma mu modoka mwana na ibibazo byinshi guma mu modoka. Sasa hakuno bisa nkaho bakurikiye kano. Bisa nkaho bakurikiye kano. Rone.
Dr. Tansy.
Sasa hakuno Tansy. Tansy.
Did we lost? Can I help you with
bisa nkaho wibuze
something?
Hari kitasanzwe nagufasha na. Rero kano.
Communication back there.
Brightwood. Ni igiturage.
Looks like a storm's coming, Fred.
Birasa nkaho sasa meze nka serwakira. Birasa nka serwakira. Icya kano. Ruhande. Icya kano.
What's all that about?
Yavugaga ibiki?
Dad.
Give me your phone.
Ima telefone ye mwana wanjye.
Abby, phone.
Abby, ma telefone yawe.
Abigail, you promised me that you'll leave your
waransezeranyije
location service.
utazigera ukoraho sasa ibyerekezo cyaba kimwe ahantu uri ukaba urimo ufite nka telefone ukagaragaza icyerekezo umuntu yaba kubuza ukamenya ahantu uri.
Have your phone with you at all?
Wasezeranyije ko nta mwanya n'umwe uzigera ubikora.
Promise me.
Abby, nsezeranya.
Okay, I promise.
Nagusezeranyije ngo uzigera kuba nakora location.
On.
No.
Papa mbwira ikinyambere nanjye ntabwo mbizi.
That sure as hell wasn't a catfish.
Ndabizi neza sasa kiriya ntabwo ari ifi isanzwe bafite. Iriya ntabwo ari ifi isanzwe ni ikintu kidasanzwe.
Vocal command, such as good boy. Show your pet that you're pleased with him.
Kurane katangiye kuvunja. Imana utaruka mwana katangiye kuvunja kagiye kuruka byanga byakunda tu. Kagiye kuvunja kurane. Dore akantu karakura umwanya muto cyane tu. Yewe. Dore ngo kirakura. Karabaye. Dore ngo kirakura. Dinezoro ikura mu mwanya muto cyane. Yatangiye gukura mu mwanya muto cyane Dinezoro.
Hey Jake, what's up? Where's your video?
Camera's dead.
Look.
Sasa bisa nkaho kamera yapfuye.
We're going back to the forest.
None tujye kuba twasubira mu ishyamba.
You gotta come with.
Turajyana nawe mwana basubire mu ishyamba.
Okay, dude, chill.
Charles, I gotta go.
Charles, mwana bireke mwana. Charles uramuhamagaye. Akira kugira ngo ukore amafaranga kuri YouTube. Yeah. Ukamera yapfuye.
Hi.
Yewe bite.
Hey.
Yewe. None.
So, science project?
Sasa akoresha ko bakomeza kuba wa mushinga wabo.
Research stuff?
Oh, no.
Yewe.
No, I can't.
Nago byako. Usumeze neza.
I'm fine.
Meze neza nari bito.
What was that?
What?
None.
Oh, the huge crash that just came
Ndumva bisa nkaho sasa kiri gusunika.
from your house?
Bisa nkaho ari kandi ibyo byo gusunika ariko mva by'urusako biri guturuka mu nyubako aho ngaho.
Nothing.
Nacyo kirimo.
Gotta go.
Sasa rero. Bye.
Jake?
Yewe Jake. Kumbe Jake mu nyubako afite ikidasanzwe kirimo. Tamo Dinezoro Jake.
Hello?
Yewe. Yabuze kera. Jake afite Dinezoro. Jake.
What's going on?
You have to swear not to tell.
Banza umbwire rero sasa rundahire ku Mana umbwire ko nta muntu uzabibwira.
Tell what?
Uzabwira iki se kandi?
Swear.
Banza urahire.
Listen, I...
Swear.
Rahira banza urahire.
Okay, I swear.
Ndahiye ku Mana. Nta kintu ntago nzabibwira umuntu n'umwe nganyereka rero ndebe ikiricyo. gutya kurone karikanga kumwizamo indani.
It's okay, he won't hurt you.
Sasa rero hakuno ntabwo cyangwa kwabaza nta n'imiryango yagiye kumurika ka Magnus yikanzemo.
It's okay, he won't hurt you.
Ntabwo yakubabaza.
Whoa.
Magnus urukundo ugira gutya kwihinduranya do.
Here's the thing. You know a little science experiment?
Sasa bisa nkaho sasa ari bya bindi twavanze
Doing chemical
analysis za kimiko
analysis stuff.
bimwe na bimwe ndabivanga none hakuno dore cyavuyemo.
Something happened?
None ikidasanzwe cyabaye do. Shaza kuvuga uyu byaba bintu twavanze byose byandi twabanye mu mashyamba narabizanye hakuno ugira ibyo byivanga na za kimiko zimwe na zimwe none dore byavuyemo.
You gotta show my dad.
No.
Dufite kubyereka data. Oya.
No way.
Oya nta bundi buryo twabyereka data.
You can't. No one can know about it. They'll take
ntabwo ngomba kubimenya.
No way, and they'll do tests on it.
Niba arimo kubimenya bazagira umukuru isuzuma mukuru bya test ibintu ngibyo bazamutesha agaciro.
You don't know what it is.
None wabuze iki?
It might be dangerous.
Bisa nkaho sasa kizaba kibi. Kizaba kibi.
Look at him.
Mureba neza Magnus.
Does he look dangerous?
Urabona agaragara nkaho ari mubi. Ari se kibi. Karareba desi ni keza ni ka Magnus kifite agasura nk'akazungu desi nari biryako.
He is kind of cute.
Yewe agaragara agize kari ikintu cyiza. Ni cyiza kirashimishije.
Well, little guy.
Yewe gasore gato.
Looks like you just became our research project.
Yewe uyu ni umushinga wacu kweri. Yewe dore ni ikiviriyemo. Mwana yagise Magnus kandi nizoro. Sasa hakuno hari igikomeje kugenda gishushanya. Hakuno hari byakanagiye do. Hari byakanagiye bidasanzwe. Kwanya polisi yumvise polisi. Kumbe kugira hakuno. Njugunye sasa hakuno do. Ibinyamaswa bikomeje kwirema. Hari turi inyamaswa cyapuyemo do. Inyamaswa ziri kwirema cyacyo tudasanzwe tuzi. Sasa hakuno hari polisi yakoze ku ruhande kugira filime. Polisi Ifandi yageze ku ruhande.
And I'm just here trying to do
Here, officer.
Gentlemen, what's the nature of the military presence here?
Sasa kuranga bari basa kimikira abasika bari hakuno.
Here, officer.
Every day. Yeah.
Really a civilian matter. Mind telling me what's going on?
Kwiri bitambere.
Of course.
Cyane rwose. Sasa ni cyakano.
Commander, I'm just here
Ngomba kwakomye ngiri mu mategeko.
trying to do my job.
Gukora hakuno kuba nakora ibyinshingano zanjye nk'umupolisi nkarinda abaturage ngorana ngo gushobe kose kamenya ibinyambere. Niyo mpamvu gukora abe nanjye ariko ndi kano. Niba ukora ibyo byose nka polisi nyine hari kuno nyine nka colonel.
It's Colonel.
Byose ndi kubikora kubera nka colonel.
Take it from here, Officer
Faraday. Kuba mwisi. Faraday.
Keep up the good work, officer.
Komeza gukora akazi kawe kandi ugakora neza.
Where's Mom?
Mama ari he? Ndimwita yose kandi. Yeah. Mbana uwo hariye mu kazi. Saza kuwane hari wakomanze. Bajya kureba uko mangu wariwe.
Man.
Yewe.
Mom's gonna be pissed.
Kaje kukureba gutya.
Who are they from?
Yaza munani. Zindabyo zo zimuna Friday. Friday niyo wabizisanye zindabyo. Gira gutya zijugunya hasi. Bijya muri pupere birabyo uri amagabo. Ifande wahaye mama indabyo.
Snitches get stitches.
Sasa hakuno ngomba kwamenya ibingi mwana. Joy. Nindara.
Later, dork.
Yanze kwiga. Ufata za ndabyo zishize muri pupere. Azeza nakono. Hari wakomanze.
Oh, hey.
Yewe. Komea kwenye ule katenezo. Yewe, kare gukura vuba.
Grown a lot.
Yewe kare gukura birenze kabisa.
I've been thinking about what he might be.
Sasa zinza ndabyo gatangira ko zirya kuko byose kararya.
My dad gave it to
bareba
us.
mu gitabo sasa bamenye ituko karya kukabaho kira kitu cyose bamenye ibyerekeye n'amafi.
He's a fish.
Yeah.
But the thing is,
ntabwo nigeze ko sasa yakaba kerekeye n'amafi.
fisherman caught had a sail.
Sasa kidasanzwe bafashe ngo ni ifi.
Like Magnus.
Ariko na mu gikenda komera nka noza nka Magnus.
And they said it changed color and stuff.
Kubera ko nacyo gihindura amabara yacyo.
We gotta start somewhere, I guess.
Gihindura amabara yacyo.
Hey!
Agira ngo gihindura amabara yacyo kandi twumva ko bavuze kazungu na Eberi. Sa kono bakaka igitabo. Yeah. Yewe. Yewe.
That's it.
Wowe yicara hamwe byihorere. Gira gutya karakobagana yewe. Twaza gake. Magnus kugira ngo nayo dodisi Magnus na ribi ryayo hakuno. Sasa dogiteri we yakomeje kuri ubushakashatsi ku giti cyiwe. Ni doctor. Dogiteri akomeje kuri ubushakashatsi amenye ibya mbere hakuno. Yashakuno. Hari utunyamaswa turi kwiremarema. Ufashe akanyamaswa ugashyira hakuno. Bisa nk'aho ari inyamaswa zindi ziri kwiremarema. Izindi nyamaswa zitazwi n'abantu ziri kwiremarema. Inyamaswa ziba zarabayeho kera habayeho ugasanga zirongera zibayeho. Inyamaswa ziba zarabaye kera kongera ugasanga ziriremye. Akiri muri ibyo.
Hi, this is Fred Tansey. Can you put me through to Special Agent Marta?
Sasa kuhande ibisa nk'aho dogiteri yakurikiye. Hari igihe se ngo barushoka barimo.
Where?
Yeah. Kuhande lebya hakurya hari imodoka yabonye idasanzwe. Iri kugenda mu mashyamba. Hey!
This is Fred Tansey. Can you
Yewe ni Fred turi tukuvugana.
put me through to Special
Sasa hakuno bidasanzwe biri kuba bya hakuno byirihutirwa cyane. Yaranaboye kuri polisi Fred yabona n'umupolisi.
Where?
Hese. Yeah.
Okay, listen.
Agiye kunyumva.
Let him know I found something at Brightwood.
Sasa bisa nk'aho sasa hari ikidasanzwe bashaka banabona. Kiri ko muri iki gitoro cya Brightwood. Yamenyesheje polisi, amenyesha Fred. Yeah, hari ikidasanzwe.
Fred, it's
Yewe Fred.
Jennifer Emery.
Uvuga ni Jennifer Emery.
Please call me urgently.
Nakwinjiza amagara kuri telefone yanjye byihutirwa amagara kuri telefone yanjye byihutirwa amagara Pandi. We na Pandi ngo ari ukuntu gutya.
Fred?
Yewe Fred.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay?
Bimeze neza se?
Mike's not in trouble again, is he?
Igihugu cyaje kijya mu bibazo nanone.
No, nothing like that.
Oya ntabwo ari ikintu kugira aho mbihuriye nanone.
I could cope
Siko mbitekereza ariko
Could you cope with dinner?
sasa byashoboka sasa aramutumira ngo mbese kuba basangira agafunguro ka mugoroba.
Tomorrow night?
Ejo cyangwa ku mugoroba bimeze bite?
That'd be nice.
Tomorrow night? Say
Ejo ku mugoroba.
7.
Yeah,
Sibyo?
that'd be nice.
Yewe ndumva rwose ari agatangaza. Araza gusohokana na Pandi. Friday.
What's with the pictures?
Se amafoto nayiki.
Oh,
Yewe amafoto yakuro rero.
I don't know. I guess they're just
Ntabwo ariko ngewe amafoto.
remind me of old times with Dad.
Atuma nibuka sasa ibihe nagiranye na data, ibihe byaciyeho. Anyibutsa data. Mbese nagiranye na data.
I want things to change.
So simbizi neza ikintu cyahindura.
What are his other characteristics? Maybe do a search for camouflage.
Sorry.
Babarire. Gira gutya bafasheho. Wihangane. Gira gutya.
Jake,
Yewe je.
he doesn't look so good.
Reba hakuno dusukurikirwa cya Magnus. Gira gutya Magnus arukuru gira gutya.
I forgot to mention something.
Hari ikintu ngiye kuba nakubwira.
Mention what?
Iki kandi mbwira icyo wagiye kwambwira. Gira gutya kirakura we.
Dad.
Yewe data we.
Feet.
Yewe
Jake,
kuri ibintu bingana Check.
Come here, Magnus.
Kiri ubururu. Urabona Magnus hakuno?
Jake,
Jake.
how do you forget to mention something like that?
Ntabwo ugeze umbwira ko kimeze gutyo ugiye gukora kingana mu mwanya muto cyane. Turaza kuza kuba kinini birenze. Ntabwo wabimbwiye.
He's gonna be huge.
Kiraza kuza kuba kinini cyane birenze. Karabaye.
You got a problem.
bigiye kuba ibibazo mwana.
Gotta show my dad.
Reka tubyereke data.
Oh, you can't.
Oya ariko reka urabizi ntabwo byashoboka hano isezeranyije.
At this
Ntabwo
rate,
twabyereka data. Urabona hakuno Jack rero.
he won't even fit in
Bishobora kuza kuba kinini cyane.
your house.
I'll move
Uburyo kitakwirwa muri iyi nzu.
him. I'll move to
Ndaza
the
kukimura.
garage. He'll be
Nana gitwara nkajyana mu igaraje.
fine.
Ndabizi kiraza kuba cyamera neza.
I see this. What
None
are
niba
you
hakora
doing?
ibyambere hakuno. Nukuri cyo hakuno ku kandi. Ubu n'abandi bana barakibona.
Guys, it's okay. Calm down.
Utuze mwana.
Won't hurt you.
Nta kintu yabaza Grace.
Crap! It's an alien. I mean,
Kino ni cya alien mwana kiva hejuru.
extraterrestrial. Not an alien.
Ntabwo ari alien.
Sit.
Mutuze.
It's like the cat's out of the bag.
Sasa yongi birasa nkaho ari igipusi cyavuye mu gikapu.
Somehow I don't think it's a cat.
Ntabwo nyine kiza ko ari ipusi.
It's a figure of speech. I don't think it's one of those either. Guys, it's okay.
Mutuze mwana.
Meet Magnus.
Muhure na Magnus.
That thing has a name? Listen,
Utari izina mwana.
you can't tell anyone, okay?
Nta muntu muto kwa mwabibwira n'umwe.
Kidding me? This is
Urimo uradukinisha mwana.
the find of the century.
Mwana iki kintu kigaragaye muri iki kinyejana mwana.
Charles, I'm serious. I am too. Wait till I post this.
Mwana kandi ngipostinga mwana kuri noza kuri za wasutwa mwana ngiposting.
Do you ever listen to
Yuba witonda mwana Charles.
Hell, Jake! Go home. You're not
Mujye mu rugo.
filming it. Are you kidding me? This is worth a fortune. As a friend, I'm asking you.
Umva mwana niba ari inshuti nakubaza mwana ngugera mu rugo.
You know what,
Niba ari inshuti yanjye ndagusaba ujye mu rugo.
Jake? I'm
Mwana
not
urabizi mwana Jake.
sure that we really are
Ntabwo
friends.
turi inshuti zanjye zo mwana.
Friends tell each other
Ni
things,
gute niba turi inshuti.
and friends don't keep messing.
Tumenyesha ikinagazi kiri hakuno mwana. Niba turi inshuti wakaba tumenyesha ikinagazi kiri hakuno.
I knew you'd do this. All you care about is your stupid channel.
Rwose mwana wowe ntabwo urimo kuti wakora ibi urabizi ukora bya cano by'ubugoyi byawe wirya ukora bya cano ngo uzakora amafaranga.
Oh, you
Yeah.
about your stupid
None ntabwo umara kino gikorwa cy'inshuti yawe.
girlfriend.
Arizo ziri inshuti zawe mwana.
My stupid girlfriend.
Ntabwo ari ikigoryi cy'inshuti yanjye. Ntabwo ari ikigoryi cy'inshuti yanjye.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Twigendere mwana. Ngiye kuba ari ikigoryi cy'inshuti yiwe cy'umukobwa. Mugisha n'ikiwe cy'ikigoryi cya hakuno. Sasa hakuno barashwanye mwana narebe mwana.
That guy.
Mwana nawe urabyizeye mwana.
I gotta go.
Yewe nanjye mfite ko banagenda mwana. Narebe kaza nakagakobwa kiwe baratonganya kurona inshuti ziwe. Baratonganya mbegenze neza.
You're Magnus.
Ngwino hano hataba Magnus. Ngwino hakuno. Magnus yicara hakuno. Yeah. Inshuti zitangiye kumenya ko Magnus ari hakuno. Hari ikidasanzwe baremye.
Dad, I have to tell you something.
Sasa data, hari icyo ngira ngo nkubwire.
What's that?
Ibi ni biki papa? What that?
No?
Ntabwo nanjye mbizi.
They're gonna do an autopsy on
Sasa
him.
ibi ngibi sasa.
Find out.
Turibuze kuba twakora autopsy, tuba kuba twamenye icyo ari cyo, tumenye ibyo ari byo.
What you wanna tell me?
Wari ugiye kumbwira iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo wari ushaka ko nta kintu umbwiye kandi ugiye kumbwira ntacyo ugiye kubona kubwira.
Never mind.
Yirengagiza nta cyabaye. Sinagiye kuba yamubwira iby'iki na Magnus. Yeah.
That's
Urakora iki mwana?
That's camping bag.
Wajya ufata igikapu cya data nanone.
Told you to stay out of his stuff.
Nakurenga ibintu bya data byose bijye kure.
Whatever.
Ni ibiki? Gira gutya.
Don't go in there.
Mwana ujye mu mwana.
Out of my way.
Nta bundi buryo.
Sleep.
Mike. Gerayo.
What are you up to?
Urapanga ibiki?
Hang on.
Ah.
You got your little
Ngabiceka mwana.
girlfriend in there.
Yandika agakobwa mwana k'inshuti yawe mwana.
Fine, I'll show you. Just
Mwana nagabikweretse ko mwana nagabikweretse.
please don't freak out.
Ariko mwana uze kuba wanuza gutyo. Kiramutuka.
Whatever.
Byaba byose ariko bisaba kuba akagakobwa karimo. Nabikwereka. Biro ngoreka hakuno yamuzanye hakuno sasa ni Mike. Muzanye hakuno. Uri kitazo. Kuno kureba nguri cyari cyabonye.
Big secret.
Mandira niryo banga rirenze mwana.
A little old for plush toys.
Niryo banga rirenze kino gikinisho mwana gikini. Karasa. Yewe kikanga Mike.
Hell is that thing?
Yewe uyu mwana mwana nayo.
Oh no.
Ntabwo bizi nanjye.
What do you mean you don't know? You didn't
Ni
check
gute twabona ntabwo nawe bizi.
the invoice?
Suzuma neza mwana ibi ni biki.
Buy him, moron.
Ntabwo nakiguze kigoryi. Ntabwo nakiguze. Biravukana ibivandimwe. Icya Dinezoro ntabwo yakiguze.
It's incredible.
Hakuno do baratongurwa n'icya Dinezoro.
And Mike.
Remember that time
Komeza kuba nakomeza kumurindira umutekano ko namufite.
when
Mwana uribuka igihe mwana.
fishing with Dad,
Uribuka igihe twari kumwe na data igihe twarobaga.
caught that eel.
Hari igihe tudasanzwe twarobye.
We snuck it home and put it in the bag.
Yeah.
Abirumvikana mwana.
Freaked.
Right.
Mama icyo gihe yagize ubwoba mwana. Icyo kintu twarakirabye tugezana mu rugo ariko mama yarakibonye agira ubwoba. Ibaze mama abonye ikintu kinacyo. Nabwo yagira ubwoba.
It's no eel.
Iki kintu ntabwo ari iri. Ntabwo kimeze nk'icyo twarabye bitaga iri. Kiratandukanye. mama kibonye agira ubwoba. Sasa hakuno bwatinze twagarutse ku Kivu. Sasa ku Kivu hakuno hari kazungu nibi abisa nka hari icyo ndobye urabona filime kazungu na Iberi. Ebe cya kazungu kiba gifite umunwa muremure, dore Iberi nicyo cyambaye ibishati by'umutuku. Hari ikidasanzwe ndobye cya kazungu, hari ikidasanzwe ndobye. Napasha turagufite sha niko Ibe kuna mazi bisa nk'amazi, hari ikidasanzwe kirimo amazi. Dore filime, dore amazi, hari ikidasanzwe kirimo. Ureba filime kumbe akuvira igipfi kinini kabisa. Alien zaramanutse, ibi petro zati nezo zose zaramanutse kuko ni amazi. No, hari inyamaswa zati napuye kazura Iberi. Yawe kabaye agafi gato mama shenge doze, kabaye agafi gato. Ayiwe bago barize nk'abana. Yewe barize nk'abana. Haza hakuno yewe sasa urangara vugana na Tesi. Taza kuza kugira inama mu mujyi, umuhuro.
We're gonna start the day as a family.
Taza kuza kubatwara uyu munsi.
Never drive us to school.
Well, today I am.
Ariko uyu munsi biraza kuba byaba ntabwo usanga dutwara ku ishuri mama, turaza kwitwara.
And what?
Turaza kugera n'ibirenge.
Driving us to school.
Mama aradutwara ku ishuri mwana.
We're gonna walk.
You got
Ntabwo turagera n'ibirenge.
2 minutes, no arguments. We'll grab breakfast on the way.
Sasa ifunguro ry'amato tutarifatira mu nzira, twakirerewe. Mike,
Can't leave him here.
ntabwo mushobora kubona hakuno.
What do you do about it?
I don't know gute mwana.
No, you're always getting us stuff.
Umva icyangombwa wari nazo kuba nava hakuno.
I'm going to the car now.
Tugiye guta twajya mu modoka kakanya.
Get in it.
Sibyo? Tugiye kujya mu modoka.
Mike,
I'll think of something.
just
Icyo ni kiza kidasanzwe.
don't make her mad, okay?
Uze kuza gutuma mama amera nk'umusazi mwana. Arakara.
Mike.
Kuno umuntu urabizi mama ameze nk'unuza ngo wataye umutwe. Mike, tuza.
Okay.
Tuza nta kibazo naho narakaza mama. Nyina wabo ngo rukuna nyira gutya kamubwira ibigambo agaturubura. Yeah.
This breakfast thing, can we just skip?
Sasa ni iminsi ugiye kwagirana na sasa na noza Friday.
Actually, Mike, today's the perfect day for it.
What does that mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki mama?
I just think it's time we all moved on.
This is about Faraday, isn't it? He asked
Byose nabizi bikwe na Friday.
you out again.
Atingira ngo baza.
Yes, he did.
Cyose kandi mwana wanjye.
Tend to go. Tonight, actually.
Urabizi rishoro ngene nawe tuzi ko twagirana na sasa gatangaza. Tugenda gatangaza nyina Friday. Amubwiza ukuri. Ntabwo amubeshye. Bari baze kugirana gatangaza.
Come on, guys, it's been 2 years.
Urabizi sasa imyaka iciyeho.
2 years is too soon to replace Dad.
Rwose mama imyaka igera kuri 2 yonyine iciyeho.
I'm not replacing.
Watufata umugabo ukamusimbuza data. Niba data atakiriho niba data adahari, ntabwo wafata umugabo utamusimbuza data kuko imyaka 2 iciyeho. Nta no kwihangana wabashwa wagira mama.
No one will ever replace him. Don't I do
Nta
something?
n'umwe ziyo nsimbuza nsoro. Bana banjye.
Not with some glorified hall monitor.
That's enough.
Birahagije mwana wanjye.
You plenty of chances.
Tuza.
It's about time you gave him a chance.
You know what, Jennifer? I don't need to give him Jack.
Don't call me Jennifer. I'm your mother.
You're not
Ntuzongere kumpamagara Jennifer ndi nyoko wakubyaye.
my mother. You're just some
Ntabwo uri mama.
douchebag's girlfriend.
Kubera ko ufite urundi runtu rugura inshuti yawe mu buzima bwawe ntabwo nakumera kukwita mama kandi ufite ikindi kigabo kiri mu buzima bwawe mama. Erika yakora imodoka.
Get out!
Sohoka mu modoka yanjye utangiye kumucyurira. Ko ntabwo waba mama ufite ikindi kigabo kiri mu buzima bwawe. Ntabwo imyaka iri nawe kandi sohoka. Ka Jake na karagasohora mwana. Urabona mwana?
That was mean, Mike. I told you not to make her mad.
Mwana nakubwiye mwana nakubwiye nuze gutuma mama amera nk'umusazi.
You want to get back home to that thing of yours, don't you?
Ariko urabizi n'ubundi wifuje ko wasubira mu rugo ngasubira mu rugo si wabyifuje. Subira mu rugo n'ubundi wari wabyifuje no kubikora guteze. Sasa cyane bikoze kugira ngo sasa ngaranga asubire mu rugo. Yeah. Nakindi ku ruhande. Sasa kuna ukanari. Baje mu mazi.
Keep looking.
Wewe mukomeze murebe sha hakurya murebe hakurya. Yewe hakurya. Kano yahamagaye Kano. Murekaze hakurya naribi.
What can I do for you, doctor?
Urakora ibiki hakurya dogiteri? Iki nagufasha dogiteri?
First of all, you can stop jerking me around.
Sasa hakurya ngabura musaba kugira ngo hagarike ibyarimo byose.
Now, where's
Nagusaba guhagarika ibingi birimo.
Sorry, doctor.
Urihangana dogiteri.
I'm in the middle of a military training
urabizi sasa hako nyewe nacyari munoza turi gukora imyitozo ya gisirikare
exercise.
imyitozo ya gisirikare
Check again.
monyera musuzume shango bari mu myitozo ni kano.
Something stinks here and it's not a catfish.
Nabizi neza namaje kubona amenye idasanzwe iriya ntabwo yari ifi isanzwe. Ntabwo yari ifi isanzwe.
Doctor.
Yamenye ko iyi itari ifi.
Watch him. Find out what he knows.
Sasa kuri mugumisha amaso bashwa mwamenye ikintu agomba kuba yamenye icyo ari cyo. Mumenye ibyo yamenye ni biki. Mugumisha amaso. Byamenye bingana iki. Sasa hakuno ari hakuno mwana uri hakuno nicyo yumva igisakuza hakurya. Biko batonye no kwa Jake. Hari cyo yumva igisakuza hakurya Satira yumve. Ibijya mbere gusa ni biki bijya mbere hakuno. Nakana gato. Satira rebe. Hey! Kuda cyabaye kinini. Cyabaye kinini cyane mu garage. Magnus yabaye munini cyane birenze. Magnus yagera hinduka noneho ba munini cyane birenze Magnus.
What's up, boy?
Ibite mbere mu musore. Magnus yabaye munini. Karabaye. Magnus.
107.
Yabaye dinozoro ya nyayo. Yabaye dinozoro ya nyayo. Sasa hako kure gutya polisi yatejemo.
70 on Hargrave.
Sasa hako polisi. Nakumva.
Relax.
Tuza mwana, polisi bisa ngo yegeri iwabo. Bebe birasanga ari Friday.
Follow me.
Urikira mwana. Dinozoro hako bisanga agiye guhemukira. Abi. Dinozoro agiye guhemukira tu.
Magnus, it's okay.
Magnus. Ni sawa mwana. Magnus yahindutse. Magnus.
It's me.
Ni Jeff. Magnus yahindutse mwabari buryo ngo mukora kora inyamaswa. Hari ukuri inyamaswa ihinduka. Inyamaswa nk'irarya.
The thing is dangerous. It has to go.
Iki kintu nicyo byaje ko twagenda.
Training.
Ariko gitugenda imyitozo. Gikene imyitozo.
Train him properly.
Ntabwo nagitoje bihagije.
That thing is.
Gikene imyitozo bine. Ntabwo namureke wenyine.
He needs me.
Aranyeneye, nanjye namukeneye. Aranyeneye Magnus.
Chris, he didn't.
Ibyo yarakoreye umukobwa.
Mean it? Seriously? How long do you think you can keep him hidden for?
Niko igihe kingana cyo uzakomeza kugisha kinagazi kingana gutya. Niko tuzakomeza kugisha. Kiri gukura birenze niko tuzakomeza kugisha kandi kingana gutya.
Stay here.
Mako.
We'll grab a bandage.
Kanye gushaka noza sasa noza ngiye ukuntu umukobwa twamupfuka. Cyo gushaka inoza ibipfuko.
You okay?
Meze neza.
Yeah.
Naribi. Kakomenetseho.
Sorry about what I said before.
Wihangane kubyo navuze cyagihe imbere.
Charles, I mean.
Ibyo Charles, ibyo nshatse kubona.
Fine.
Ayo komeze neza ntacyo bitwaye.
I didn't mean it.
Nagari kumutekereza. Nabyo nshatse kuba navuga.
Which part? The girlfriend part?
Ibikubwa bya byegereje n'umukobwa w'inshuti bya sheri.
Or the stupid part?
You're not stupid.
Oya ntabwo nashatse kuba navuga yuko uri ikigoryi. Oya ntabwo nangututse. Nakubona ko ntabwo uri ikigoryi.
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Niyo mpamvu yo gusaba imbabazi nanjye narakaye ndavugishwa. Bisa ngo nabababaye.
We good?
Tumeze fresh natwe twese. Turi fresh. Kandi wapfa ni polisi. Kandi idasanzwe abantu bafite mu nyubako. Hari ikidasanzwe abantu bafite mu nyubako. Cyakuze cyane.
What do you say?
Go ahead. Not your son.
Ntabwo ndi umwana wawe ni Fandi.
You're absolutely right.
Sasa hakuno ugomba kuba namenye iki ngiki.
Why don't I just give your mom a call?
Niba icyo wabwiye mama wawe sasa mama yamamagaye ariko yamamagaye yarakaye.
What do you say?
Nicyo wamubwiye.
Go ahead. Put her in the mood for your big date tonight.
Sasa hakuno wowe ufite ko wajya kugera sasa umugoroba mwiza uri kumwe na mama. Magnus. Ceceka hakuno ari Fandi. Hari Fandi.
Look.
Reba hano sha.
If I do a search,
Sasa ndamutse nkuze ubushakashatsi cyangwa abashaka kuba nashakisha.
and I find something I shouldn't.
hari ikidasanzwe namenya sibyo muri mu kibi
Very complicated.
sasa hakuno rero
Almost finished.
sasa hakuno twarangije Friday twarangije
And it's done.
kureba gutya fandi ari hakuno
Hello, officer.
yewe fandi
Mind telling me what the two of you are doing out of school?
sasa hakuno birasa nkaho mwebwe muri babiri hari ikintu muko mwakora mwakwibye ishuri mwanze kujya ku ishuri
Certainly. Mike's making a present for Jennifer.
sasa hakuno urabizi nyine Mike hari aga surprise ari gutegurira nyina
It's her 40th
agiye
tomorrow.
kuzuza imyaka 40 nyina
He was running behind,
rero hakuno nyine yari yansabye ubufasha
and so I offered to help.
nanjye nari nashaka kugira umufasha tuba twakora surprise impano ya nyina niba ko kuzuza imyaka 40
With everything she's been through, I just think it's so thoughtful of him. Don't you?
So it's your birthday tomorrow.
yewe hari isabukuru nziza uyu munsi bana ya nyina hari isabukuru irabazwa
Come in 107.
ngwino mwana
451
batangiye guhamagara ni fandi
Roger that. On my way.
ubu ndi mu nzira nza
I suggest you clean that cut, and then the both of you get back to school.
sasa hakuno gupfuke neza hakuno wikata ibyo binagazi byose muri musubire ku ishuri sibyo sha ni fandi ni sherifu baramubeshya hari ngo nyina w'umwana Jennifer yogeze imyaka 40 mu gitondo ejo ku mugoroba azazuza imyaka 40
Hey guys, look! Another.
ya mwana
This is right near us.
hari ikidasanzwe kikugaragaza sinyari hakuno reba hakurya Charles
Guys, seriously.
bana ibintu bisuriye mwana ibintu bisirias hakurya agasani kariya ni kaciyo do kaciyo mana nyagasani ibi ni ibiki
You guys ready?
How can anyone be ready for this?
Are you kidding me? I was born ready.
uri kunyinisha mwana
Born naked, screaming, and unable
urabizi ngo nyina mvutse sa kana kare hakuno kariya kana kanyomboza
to be close.
niko bitegeze mwana
Oh my gosh.
yicaho mana nyagasani urakibonye mwana
You guys ready?
How can anyone be ready
uriteguye mwana
for this?
Are you kidding me?
urabizi mwana ugira kunyinisha
I was born ready.
njye navutse niteguye mwana njye umwana wavukiye niteguye urumva mwana ngo navutse nk'abandi bana njye navutse niteguye
I'm pretty sure you
urazi kuriya gatangaza mwana
born naked, screaming, and
kavutse gasakuza katazi no kugenda numva kari kwiyemera hakuno
let's go.
dufite kugenda bajya gukira amenye ikijya mbere sasa hakuno abasekere bapanuye hari alien zamanutse
7 boys. No one enters. No one leaves.
hakuno nta kugenda hakuno ntawe utagira ikibacika
I don't think this is a good idea.
Yeah, what
ndatekereza atari igitekerezo cyiza
Ethan?
uravuga ibiki
It's abandoned.
ntabwo ari igitekerezo cyiza hakuno abasirikare bapanuye za alien zamanutse naso za alien ni ibi hejuru hari inyamaswa ziri kwirema ni irema ry'inyamaswa rishya yewe tuza irema Max
Guys, look!
basura muri bakurya
Gosh, I told you.
mana nababwiye mwana
Real.
nababwiye hakuno ni byavuyemo bya alien bizima hakuno n'ibintu nabyo bitangira kwirema dore ngo birakanguka irema ry'inyamaswa irema ry'inyamaswa hakuno n'indi nazo yashobora kurira zirya izindi mbona zivamo hey zikurikira ibindi ubwazo zirahigana inyamaswa rwavuyemo runini rwahakuna rwambara imodoka kugira ngo yonyonyuka hey ni zoro ni nyinshi mister yeah
Charles Alvin.
yewe inyamaswa ni nini
I told you this wasn't a good idea.
mwana nabwe mwana ni agatekerezo cyiza tugiye gupfa mwana tugiye gupfa tu kugera gutya aragitubura kirameneka hakuno
Max, come on, hurry up!
tugenda mwana vava Max muvabo babwake
What are you doing? Get out. I told you to leave that stuff.
twakurikira mwana